Too much color can blind us. Too much sound can deafen us. Too much seasoning can deaden the natural flavor of food. Racing and seeking can bring chaos to the mind. Making things too important can lead one astray. The center nourishes, but the eye can enslave by directing too much attention to outer material things. Lao Tzu suggests that to master life, one needs to master both mental and physical addictions and attachments. Wiser beings observe with the inner, not the outer eye. Letting go of this, they can easily choose that or something else instead. Controlling one's senses can help refine a deeper insight and create a clearer perspective about the world. Those who are attached to little can experience what is truly great. To be concerned with favor or disgrace, approval or disapproval, is to live in fear. Thoughts of success and failure both arise from thinking of yourself as a body. Evolved souls see a broader picture. They might say, rather than seeing myself in the world, I see the whole world in myself, a self that includes all of life. Lao Tzu suggests that worrying about winning and losing can cause one to misidentify with the body, and those who treasure the things of the world can become entrapped in the world's ways. However, limiting external dependencies and developing emotional evenness can help bring about a broader awareness of life. Those who see the whole world as part of their total self can be entrusted with its care.